Hi everyone, welcome back to Real Random Thoughts. The other day I was just scrolling through my YouTube page and I came across this press conference of the show Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. For those of you who don't know, Tarak Mehta is one of the longest running Indian television comedy show that is still running since 18 years. So the show recently completed its 18th year on July 18, 2026. The show started in the year 2008 and it has a huge cult fan following for all the actors and the characters. I personally was a huge fan of the show and I still am. I used to watch the show from my 8th standard and I personally used to love all the characters, the comic timings. It used to feel good. Even now, like when I watch while going to office, I switch on the TV and watch the old episodes. It gives a lot of positivity, a lot of happiness. You forget your worries while watching the show for sometimes. It's a stress reliever basically. Yeah, so coming to the point, so I coming to the point here, I was just watching the entire press conference and the show's producer was felicitating all the actors of the show for their contribution to the show. The entire cast and crew member were present and he was like giving out some mementos for all the actors, which is really good. And firstly, before that, congratulations to the entire team of Tarak Mehta who have been relentlessly giving out their best of performance for all these 18 years and working hard for 12 to 14 hours is not an easy job, and giving out the best of content is something really, it's a brilliance of the makers, and thank you so much for that. But yes, the producer was there felicitating all the actors, but however, the show wouldn't have been successful without those actors who have been a part since the beginning of the journey. So here I'm talking about the actors who are no longer with us. That is Kavi Kumar Azad sir, who played the character of Dr. Hathi in the show, and Ghanesham Naik sir, who played the character of Natu Kaka in the show. I felt personally the entire press conference was, to be very blunt and honest, the entire press conference I felt was something like he was doing to cover up for a PR image that he wanted to create, that he cares for the actors and he is very much he loves them so much, he encourages them, blah blah blah. But I felt it looked entirely fake, that he was trying to establish himself as a nice guy over there. Yeah, and but over the of course he has felicitated all the actors, which is good, but he should have at least have the courtesy to at least remember those actors, call out the family members of those actors who are no longer with us. Because hadn't it been not them, not because hadn't it been because of their talent, that the show wouldn't have been a brand today. Of course, the maker has created the character, I completely understand it, but it is the actors who have played the role, who have generated that interest, the love from the audience. It is because purely because of their talent, and recognizing them, at least remembering them, felicitating them is more important. I know they are no longer with us, but at least by remembering them, giving out the mementos, yes, we care for them, is something that I felt was not there on the part of the maker and the producer, especially the producer of the show. Even now, while I watch the new episodes, it looks very stale. It doesn't look it doesn't, I don't feel like the get the old vibes. When I used to watch the old episodes, it was very natural. You feel very happy about it. Of course, the show has a lot of regressive patriarchal elements too. You don't know that subtly, but you can't see it very evidently, even though the makers say that they are very progressive in the thought, they respect women, and they follow, they are very cultured and everything. But when you go deeply analyze the episodes, you can make out a lot of regressive misogynistic elements do exist in the episodes and in the dialogue delivery of the actors, which I think I can reserve this narrative for an entire another vlog that I can say. But here what I'm trying to say is that the new episode, when I look at the new episode, it looks very very stain. I mean, the even for the actors too. I don't know, maybe because they've been working constantly for 18 years. The show has somewhere lost its charm. Like you don't feel that happiness. Of course, they have developed the camera, they have renovated the sets, and everything has been brilliant. It looks very rich now. But the old episodes, even though the facilities was not this much, or the society was not renovated this much, but people still loved it. People still loved the character. It was very natural. It People could relate to the characters. That is something which is more important. The children's innocence and the society's natural fight and everything was there. It was so beautiful to watch that. But now I feel somewhere something or the other is lacking on the part that you don't feel good at all. It looks very boring. The charm is not there. And of course, I would also like to and of course, he did mention in the press conference about the old actors leaving the show due to the personal reason, and how he has to maintain a positivity throughout. He is a person who likes to maintain positivity. But one thing is there, that hadn't it been because of those actors, the show wouldn't have been a brand today. And this is what I feel. Because here I would like to personally take some time to give a special shout out and mention to all those actors who have relentlessly worked hard, starting from Jheel Mehta, Nidhi Bhanushali, Palak Sidwani, Bhavya Gandhi, Raja Natkad, Guru Charan Singh Sodhi, Jennifer Mystery Bansiwal, Priya Huja, Mala Vrajra, Disha Vakani, Shailesh Roda sir. Everybody has created, have done their characters brilliantly, and had it not been because of their talent, the Tarak Mehta wouldn't have been a brand today. And at least the makers should have the basic courtesy to at least take their names and talk about them. Because for 18 years to go this long way, it is their hard work too, it is their talent too, it is their time and investment that they have given to the show, that has made the show reach this greater height. And definitely, from my bottom of my heart, thank you so much of to all of you guys, whoever has left the show. And Monica Bhadouri, of course, who played the role of Babri. Thank you so much for making our childhood more special. And you all are amazing. You guys are amazing, talented people. And I personally still watch the old episodes, and I really, really love it. Neha Mehta, of course, who played the role of Anjali Bhabi. Everybody out there. I'm sorry if I'm missing out some names, but thank you so much for bringing out the best characters and making our childhood more memorable. So at least this is what I felt. The producer was trying to cover it up. But having said that, the actors leaving the show, of course, whatever is their personal reason, uh, I don't know, but I think there is something lacking on the part of the show's maker, the producer himself, uh, who might be having some egoistic clashes or something of that sort. But that is up to him. But I just want that the shows to be running successfully. And it should end on a healthy note and not a bitter note, because the audience want to remember the show for its uniqueness. And I hope that even if it has to end, it has to end on a good note, that people still can remember the show, and the coming generation can talk about it in with a good memory. And this is what I would just like to say. And thank you so much.